Lesson 34, reading practice number 7. Dear Mr. Stern, Mr. Morton, manager of the sporting goods department of our State Street store, informed me yesterday morning that you gave him an order for a quantity of our sporting goods that were to be delivered to your Southern Division office in Atlanta. Paragraph. I wish we could start work on your immediately. Period. Unfortunately, this is not possible because our quarterly credit report on your organization is not complete. Paragraph. We realize that you want these sporting goods promptly. Period. May we suggest, therefore, that you send us an advance check for $2,000. Period. We will begin manufacturing the uniforms, jackets, and gloves as soon as we receive it. Paragraph. We hope, Mr. Stern, that we will be able to obtain a complete report on your credit condition soon, because we want to grant you our usual discount terms on future orders. Period. Sincerely yours. Reading practice number 8. Dear Mr. Norton, an important newspaper executive named Mrs. Mildred Turner had a telephone extension installed in the kitchen a few days ago. Paragraph. Behind that extension lies a story. Paragraph. Mrs. Turner's teenage daughter Jane blamed her mother for the failure of a fruitcake. Period. Jane claimed that the phone in the living room rang, and she left the kitchen to answer it. Period. The cake slipped her mind temporarily, and on her return to the kitchen, it was burnt almost to a crisp. Period. She further claimed that this discouraging incident never would happened if there had been extension in the kitchen. Period. Our newspaper executive recognized the wisdom of her daughter's contention and installed an extension promptly. Paragraph. Do you want to be blamed for the failure of a cake, a cherry pie, or an apple turned over? I have an idea that you probably don't, Mr. Norton, period. So, speak to our representative today requesting the installation of an extension in your kitchen promptly. Period. Sincerely yours. Reading practice number 9. Dear Miss Turner, here are a few things we will do for you when you make reservations at the Eastport Hotel, paragraph number 1. We will pick you up at the terminal at any hour of the day at no charge. Paragraph number 2. We will give you a modern, well-furnished, and soundproof room. Paragraph number 3. We will take you to the airport promptly when you want to leave. Also, with our compliments. Paragraph. What is our object in doing all these thoughtful things for our guest? The answer to that question is that we want our guests to return regularly, year after year. Period. We are not satisfied to have them come only once. Paragraph. Call us the next time pleasure or government business takes you to Eastport, Miss Turner, period. We will take very good care of you throughout your stay and make it an extraordinary experience. period, cordially yours. Reading practice number 10. Dear Mrs. Ward, colon, you will recall that in the Wednesday, February 5, issue of World Travel News, we published a short article that described the modern X-ray units being used to check carry on baggage, period. The publication of this article prompted some members of the traveling public to ask whether the radiation had any effect on different types of film, paragraph. The Norton Company is responsible for the installation of this equipment, period. A few days ago, we wrote them regarding this subject, period. They informed us that, in their opinion, the X-ray units will have no effect whatsoever on film, paragraph. To speed up the processing of baggage at airport terminals, we have had Norton units installed in the terminals listed in the enclosed circular, period. We wanted you to have this information, Mrs. Ward, semicolon. We hope it will be of value to you, period. Sincerely yours. Reading practice number 11. Dear Dr. Dexter, colon, the new Franklin Hotel is not near the Miami airport. It is actually in the terminal, period. Think of the perfect opportunity this offers you if you want to hold a meeting of general sales representatives, correspondents, or customers, paragraph. The Franklin Hotel is a successful, progressive, and full-service hotel, period. It has 900 modern rooms that have character and charm, paragraph. You can obtain reservations promptly and without difficulty, Dr. Dexter, period. Just call us. Collect, period. Sincerely yours,